Are you ready to turn ordinary eggs into a party favorite? Today, I'll show you how to make deviled eggs so easy, even beginners will look like pros. Let's get cracking. Welcome back to my channel. Deviled eggs are a classic snack for parties, picnics, or even just a treat at home. They're creamy, tangy, and oh so delicious. Here's everything you need to make them. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon vinegar or pickle juice, salt and pepper to taste, paprika for garnish. Optional, chopped chives or parsley for extra flair. Step 1. Boil the eggs. First, boil your eggs. Place them in a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Once the water's bubbling, set a timer for 10 minutes. This will give you perfect hard-boiled eggs every time. After they're cooked, drain the hot water and fill the pot with cold water. This cools the eggs down and makes peeling them much easier. Step 2. Peel the eggs. Peeling eggs can be tricky, but here's a tip: gently tap the shell on the counter and roll it under your hand. The shell should slide right off. Step 3. Slice and scoop. Now, slice the eggs in half and scoop out the yolks into a bowl. Be gentle so you don't tear the whites. Step 4. Make the filling. Time to make that creamy filling. Mash the yolks with a fork until they're crumbly. Then, add mayonnaise, mustard, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Mix it all together until smooth. Taste and adjust to your liking. Step 5. Fill the eggs. You can use a spoon for a rustic look, or get fancy with a piping bag for that perfect swirl. Either way, they'll taste amazing. Step 6. Garnish and serve. Sprinkle a little paprika for color, and if you're feeling fancy, add some fresh chives or parsley. Ta-da! Your deviled eggs are ready to wow everyone. See? That wasn't so hard. Deviled eggs are simple, quick, and guaranteed to impress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite topping for deviled eggs? Until next time, happy cooking!